2023 Jeep Cherokee. With less than 48,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You won't be able to pass up on these extra features: automatic parking, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, tinted windows. Don't risk the regrets. Test drive it today.